Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best blenders for green smoothies that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. Nutri Ninja BL770 is a blender food processor combo. It holds up to 72 ounces of smoothie ingredients and is perfect for professional use, a large family or a lot of working out buddies. The power of the pitcher can easily be used to pulverize and grind not only through any tough ingredient but also as a perfect ice crusher for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. With Nutri Ninja BL770, every drink can be an ice-cold, refreshing drink in no time at all. You also don't have to limit your blender to smoothie making. It is extremely versatile. You can chop up and make dough, fillings, salsa, and hearty soups in a matter of seconds. Not only does the package come with a powerful blender, you also get one 1500-watt base, a food processor bowl, a 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher, a 30-recipe inspiration guide, and finally, two 16 ounces. Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, which are a wonderful source of containers when you're on the go and just made your morning smoothie. Nutri Ninja BL770 is also easy to clean and maintain. With BPA-free parts, the entire blender is dishwasher safe. Moving on at number 4, we have the Breville BBL910XL Boss easy-to-use Superblender. With the Breville Boss, the secret is in the power, and the 12 different speeds. With a 7-year limited warranty, the company really backs up the quality blender they have as a product. It is extremely powerful, willing to take on any task at hand. Built with a 2-horsepower design, the 3 stainless steel blades are contoured to the base of the jug for maximum cutting power and can slice through anything, probably best when kept away from children. Not only does this blender have 12 different speeds, from super slow to high mill for precise control, they also have 5 separate preset one-touch programs. It is an excellent choice to get for your green smoothies because it even has a specific program for it, along with a smoothie, green smoothie, frozen dessert, soup and pulse, ice crush. At number 3, we have the KitchenAid KSB1575CB5 Speed Diamond Blender. Are you looking for a blender that will offer you excellent value for the price? Then you should certainly consider buying the KitchenAid Diamond Blender. This is hands down one of the best options available on the market today. It comes with similar features to those found in our top pick, which certainly indicates that it is a pretty good option. First, the KitchenAid Diamond Blender comes in a sturdy, high-quality build. It has a plastic jug, which can contain up to 1.75 liters of smoothies. This plastic construction means that it isn't as expensive as other models that have a glass jug. It also improves the durability. If it happens to fall from your hand, you won't worry about the jug shattering. Aside from the material of construction, the KitchenAid Diamond Blender comes with a jug that you can place with the handle to the left or right, depending on what you want. This handle is one of the best things about the jug too. It comes with a silicone build, which makes it so much easier to hold. In addition, the lid features a large loop that allows you to easily remove it whenever you want. It also comes with a lovely design. The sleek appearance means that it will look excellent on your kitchen countertop. You can have it in a variety of colors as well, so you can choose that which will suit your requirements. Another thing that we liked is that the base is quite small. This means that you can place it on different places without taking up plenty of useful space. Nevertheless, it is quite tall, so you should consider the height of where you plan on placing it. At number 2, we have the Black Plus Decker FusionBlade Personal Blender. If you enjoy a customized blended drinking experience with green smoothies then the Black Plus Decker PB1002R is just right for you. This blender comes with almost everything that you might actually need to make smoothies, while being cost-effective to boot. As a relatively small option, the Black Plus Decker PP1002R is a personal blender. But do not be fooled by the small size, it is still a powerful option that comes in a user-friendly design. As a countertop unit, you can set it up on your kitchen countertop and it will not take up a lot of space. Part of the appeal is the ease of use. Within seconds, you can blend your foods. And afterwards, since it doesn't splash food all around the place, you can clean up in a jiffy. The design and construction might not look premium, but it certainly doesn't look the price. It comes with a stainless steel construction. Therefore, it is a very durable option. Due to the materials of build, it can crush ice and help you to quickly prepare your favorite green smoothies without any issues. It is a versatile option that not only helps with smoothies but can also be used for preparing other things like cocktails and so on. Included in the package is a pair of 20 ounces blending jars. Therefore, after you make your smoothie, you can easily take it with you to work. Using the Black Plus Decker PP1002R is pretty straightforward as well. All that is required is to switch it on, add your food and it does all the work for you. Once you are satisfied with the mushiness, you can switch it off and enjoy your drink. And finally at number 1, we have the Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. If you are into blenders or the kitchen appliance industry generally, then chances are pretty high that you have heard about the Breville brand. This excellent brand is known for the high quality of its blenders. One of the common thing about their blenders is that they come with high level of torque and a plethora of preset settings that make them easier to use. Well, the Breville BBL 620 comes with all of these as well and continues to live up to the reputation of the brand. It comes in a very attractive design and while aesthetics are good, it is great to know that the Breville BBL 620 is much more than just a pretty face. The design features not only look good but serve important purposes. For example, it has a large capacity bowl that will take all of your green smoothies. Despite the large size of the bowl, the overall appliance is compact and small, which will make it fit into different kitchens without any problem. Performance is quick and reliable here as well. The Breville BBL 620 comes with a powerful 1100W motor. This makes it a very efficient unit capable of breaking down your food easily and quickly. The blade design is also superb and contributes to the efficiency. Due to this design, you have smoothies without any lumps. Additionally, the blades are made from high-quality steel that will remain sharp for a long period. Versatility is another thing that makes this model stand out. Aside from helping you to make smoothies, it also can help with other food processes. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.